Did you know that a simple onion, a staple in kitchens worldwide, holds a treasure trove of health benefits? Often relegated to a supporting role in culinary creations, onions deserve recognition for their nutritional prowess. From adding depth of flavor to dishes to bolstering our well-being, onions are truly remarkable. Onions have graced our kitchens for centuries, their pungent aroma and versatility endearing them to cooks across cultures. But beyond their culinary appeal lies a wealth of health-promoting compounds that we often overlook. These unassuming bulbs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to a healthier life. Join me as we delve into the world of onions, uncovering the secrets to maximizing their health benefits. We'll explore why raw onions are nutritional powerhouses and how to cook them properly to retain their valuable nutrients. Let's unlock the full potential of this humble vegetable and elevate our everyday meals with its goodness. Raw onions are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cell damage. Quercetin, a flavonoid abundant in onions, exhibits anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties, potentially reducing allergy symptoms and promoting heart health. Onions also contain organosulfur compounds, responsible for their distinctive aroma and taste, which have been linked to cancer-fighting properties. These compounds, along with others found in onions, contribute to their potential to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and regulate blood sugar. Consuming raw onions regularly can be a delicious way to boost your intake of these beneficial nutrients and support overall health and well-being. While raw onions offer the most concentrated dose of nutrients, cooking them can enhance their flavor and make them easier to digest. However, excessive heat can degrade some of their valuable compounds, leading to a loss of nutritional value. The key lies in finding the right balance between taste and nutrition. Understanding how different cooking methods affect onions' nutrient content is crucial for maximizing their health benefits. By employing gentle cooking techniques and avoiding common mistakes, we can preserve their goodness while creating flavorful dishes. Let's explore the common pitfalls to avoid and the best practices to adopt when cooking onions, ensuring that every bite contributes to our well-being. Sizzle and simmer common onion cooking errors. One common mistake is cooking onions over high heat for extended periods. This can destroy heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C and diminish the potency of beneficial sulfur compounds. Another error is overcooking onions until they turn brown or black, which can form potentially harmful compounds. Using excessive oil for sautéing can also negate the health benefits of onions, as it adds unnecessary calories and fat. Moreover, discarding the flavorful juices released during cooking means missing out on concentrated nutrients and flavor enhancers. Avoiding these pitfalls can help preserve the nutritional integrity of onions, ensuring that their goodness shines through in your dishes. The art of onion alchemy, preserving nutrients in the kitchen. To retain maximum nutrients, opt for gentle cooking methods like sautéing over medium heat for a shorter duration, aiming for a translucent or lightly golden color. Steaming and microwaving are also excellent options, as they involve minimal heat and help preserve water-soluble vitamins. When sautéing, use a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado oil, and avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure even cooking. Deglazing the pan with broth or wine after cooking onions helps capture the flavorful juices laden with nutrients. Remember, the goal is to cook onions until they are softened and fragrant while retaining their vibrant color and nutritional value. By mastering these techniques, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, flavor and health. Embrace the onion. A recipe for good health. Incorporating onions into our diet is a simple yet powerful step towards better health. From their impressive nutrient profile to their culinary versatility, onions offer a myriad of benefits. By understanding how to cook them properly, we can unlock their full potential and elevate our everyday meals. Whether enjoyed raw in salads and sandwiches, or cooked to perfection in soups, stews, and stir-fries, onions enhance flavor and contribute to our well-being. Let's embrace the mighty onion, appreciating its humble nature and remarkable ability to nourish our bodies from the inside out. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, reach for an onion and let its goodness shine through. your taste buds and your body will thank you.